In this video, you will learn how to install and set up the 4K Spotlight battery security camera. This camera can be used battery-operated or wired for continuous power. Instructions for using it as a wired option will be shared towards the end of the video. Inside the package, you'll find one 4K Spotlight battery security camera, one battery pack, pre-installed, one mounting bracket, one mounting plate, one 3.2 feet power cable, a mounting template, and 3 sets of anchor and screws. Before you begin the installation process, ensure that you fully charge the battery pack. You will need a 5-volt 1 amp power adapter, or you can use a 5-volt 2 amp for faster charging. First, remove the protective film on the battery and charge until the indicator light turns green. This should take 2 to 4 hours to complete the charge. You have options. If you get an additional battery, you can charge it in 2 ways: inside the camera or the battery separately. First, download the Lorex app by scanning this QR code. Open the app. Sign in or create an account. Tap the plus sign to add device and follow the in-app instructions to pair your camera to your account. To install, begin by placing the mounting template on your desired location. Drill holes in the surface. Align the arrows of the mounting plate and place it against your desired location. Secure the plate using the provided screws. Now that the bracket and camera are attached, align the posts between the mounting bracket and plate. Simply attach the mounting bracket to the back plate. You will hear a click. You can easily remove the camera from the bracket by pressing the quick release buttons on the sides. Adjust the mounting bracket to angle the camera based on your preference. There are 2 wired power options. Option 1, you can continuously charge the battery by plugging the USB into a wall outlet. Option 2, for continuous power, use the included USB cable, plug into a wall outlet, and remove the battery. Next, in the app, continuous power mode will be available. Enable it, and now your camera will operate as a regular wired camera. A solar panel option for charging is also available. Simply plug it into the same rear USB port and you're good to go. Have ultimate flexibility thanks to the battery design. Place indoor, outdoor, mount on a wall. With your 4K Spotlight battery security camera successfully installed and connected, you can now monitor your property with confidence. For more information or assistance, refer to the user manual or visit our website. Thank you for choosing Lorex.